Yes, welcome back, guys. Yes, welcome back, guys, to India's largest e-learning platform, Gradeup. Please tell me, am I audible or not? And welcome back to this industrial session where we are going to see some questions on industrial engineering. As this is the second session of that, we are covering all the types of question from various sources. Saeed Akhtar, good morning, dear. Yes. Vikas, good morning. So yes, please tell me, guys, am I audible to you or not? Then we are starting it. Gaurav, good morning. Okay, guys. Then without wasting time, we are starting the session and let us see some of the questions. And I will be covering even the question from work study, and the level will be slightly more than gate only. Okay, yes, good, guys. So this is a small information about me. As you know, we were discussing the industrial engineering part. So this is a question from industrial engineering. A contractor has to supply 10,000 paper cones per day to a textile unit. The production rate is 25,000 papers cone per day. Production rate and demand rate is given to you. It is 25,000 per day and it is 10,000 per day. Yes, the cost of holding a paper cone in stock for 1 year is 2 paisa, means CH is 2 paisa. Yes, per year. Setup cost of a production run is 18 rupees, 18 per setup. Assume 300 working days, the number of working days. So guys, you need to find out economic production quantity. You need to find out EOQ, which is nothing but Q star. Then frequency of production runs. These are the two things we need to calculate, guys. Yes, please start solving it, guys. This is from industrial engineering. We have started yesterday the questions of on industrial engineering. We have covered 3 to 4 topics already. Okay, I can help you with the formula if you want. If you want, the formula for Q star is equals to 2D C naught by CH. Bhanurajan, hi dear. 1 minus D by P. Yes, this is the formula for Q star. Yes, solve it, guys. Question number 1. Good morning, Jay. So those students who have not joined the Telegram channel, I have shared the link in the comment section. You can join that so that you can get the PPTs of all the sessions on the YouTube, as well as you will be notified for the next sessions there. Okay, Gaurav Vajpayee have answered it, and Gaurav, your answer is very much correct. It is very much correct. A. So when you will be putting this, demand per day is given. So if you want to find out the annual demand, it will be into 300. So 10,000 into 300, it will be. And you know that 18 is the setup cost. It is 2 paisa per unit per year. You can convert it into rupees and put the value. And while after putting the value, it will be 2 into demand rate is 10,000 or into 300 into C naught is 18 rupees divided by CH, it is 2 paisa, so 0.02 divided by, okay, into, it is per unit per year into 18, sorry, 1 minus D by 10,000. Some students have confusion here, sir, why you have not converted that 10,000 into month or year. Why? Because both are having same unit, so it is a ratio. Ratio is unitless. You will be getting the answer to be 94,868.32 units. Yes, Jay, your answer is correct. Very nice, guys. Second question is you need to find out the frequency of production run. And guys, when you want to find out frequency of production run, it is nothing but you know that after how many days production setup will be required. Yes, frequency you need to find out. So it should be answer is asked in days. So you will be having the formula to be Q star divided by D, demand rate. Because Q star is units, it is units, demand rate is units per day. So after that much days only that will be the time for which one production run will be okay. So obviously you will be getting the frequency of production run. So Q star is 94,868.32 divided by 1000. What you will be getting as answer? Very good, Jay, Bhanu Rajan, and Gaurav Vajpayee. Your answer is correct. It will be 9.5 days. So this is the question from model number 2, that is setup cost model. Let us see others. This is the next question. I am covering all the models, guys. This question is from the next model, which you know as shortest cost model. Not shortest, it is basically price break model. Very good, Akhilesh Khadse. The answer is correct. And guys, please share this session in all the groups you are associated so that other students can also be benefited from this. Dear, capital D is annual demand. And small d is demand per day. If the answer was asked in terms of years, if it would have been in terms of years, you would have divided Q star by annual demand. But as the answer is in number of days, so you need to divide it by small demand, D. Hope you got it, Vikas. Hope you got it, Vikas. Yes, Vikas, got it or not? Fine. Solve this question, guys. In objective, they will be asking you this kind of questions. Yes, I will be giving you hint for that also if you want. First of all, we find out the economic order quantity for the minimum cost. Very good, Bhanu Rajan. Your answer is correct. I am waiting for others to answer, then I am starting solving it. Yes, Vikas, Saeed, Akhilesh, Jay. Very good, Gaurav. Okay, guys. So first of all, we go for the minimum price. Here, the minimum cost price is rupees 8. So CP rupees 8 per unit. Monthly demand is given to you 200 units per month. You know we will be calculating the annual demand. 200 into 12, 2400 units per year. Yes, the cost of storage is 25, means holding cost is 0.25 times of CP. Ordering cost is rupees 20 per order. Yes, guys. So you need to find out basically, first of all, Q star, which you know is 2D C naught CH. And after solving Q star, you will be getting out to be 219.03 units. So you are getting it 219.03 units. So you know that discount is available after 100 units. It is more than 100 units. So discount is available. So obviously we will go with this units only. These are economic order quantity as well as we are getting discount. Very good, Saeed Akhtar. Next question, guys. This is from LPP, Linear Programming Problems, Transportation and Assignment. No, Bhanu Rajan. Last time I have given in, I feel 2017. After that, I have not written because I already scored whatever I wanted to score. I have already done whatever I wanted to do. For teaching now, it is not required to give GATE 2021. Okay. So don't worry, competition is not that much. Okay. Solve it, guys. Dear, it is from assignment. In assignment, you already know supply 111, demand 111. Okay, solve it, guys. Solve this question, guys. First apply the row operation, then apply the column operation. Yes, first apply row operation, then go for column operation. Okay, Bhanurajan, Akhilesh, let us try to solve it. First, we will go for row operation. The minimum in first row is 20. Yes. So 30 minus 20 is 10. 50 minus 20 is 30. 20 minus 20 is 0. Second row minimum is 25. 15, 15. Third row it is 25. 0, 5 and 10. So this is the row operation. Then we will go for column operation. Ten, 0, 0. 15, not 15, 25, 10 and 0. 0, 15 and 10. Yes, guys. Now we will be going for assignment. And we need to search for the single zero basically. Okay, guys, actually, why you are getting 75? There is one mistake you have done as well as I have done. And that shows that We need to see the question seriously first of all. If you see one thing, it is asked maximum profit. So it is not the minimization problem, it is maximization problem. Now do you remember that if problem is of maximization, to solve an assignment problem, what we need to first? To solve an assignment problem, what we need to do first? Anybody? I want to know. Yes, what we have missed? Yes, guys, what we have missed in this question? What we need to do first? First of all, we need to convert minimization into maximization. And for that, what we do, we subtract all the elements from the highest element. Highest element is 50. First of all, you need to reframe the matrix, then only you can solve it. And that's the reason all are getting wrong answer. Okay, and this kind of mistake you will be doing in paper, you will be getting negative marking. Okay, that's why I said. Yes, that's why I said that in paper that kind of mistakes are very common and you will be getting not only 0 but negative mark for this. So out of then the new matrix will be having 20 here and then 0 here, 30 here, 25 here, 10 here, 10 here, 25 here, 20 here and 15 here. Now this is the new matrix. Now convert it, we have already converted to minimization. Now go for row operation. Now go for row operation. Subtract the minimum element from all the elements. 20 minus 0 is 20, 0 minus 0 is 0, 30 minus 0 is 30. Okay. 25 minus 10 is 15, 0 and 0. Here 15, 10, 5 and 0. Now we will go for the column operation. When we will be going for the column operation, you know what we will be getting. Now let us see who gives the right answer. Yes, Gaurav. So column operation, 10 is the minimum, 10, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5 and 30, 0, 0. You will be searching the single zero. After searching single zero, here you are getting the single zero. First is allocated. This will be crossed. Single zero. This will be crossed. Single zero. Yes. So as in assignment problem, questions are not asked very much lengthy in paper. They are simple only. But this kind of trick they can play with you. 50, 40 and 25. So it will be 50 plus 40 plus 25. I feel the answer will be A, 115. Very good, Prateek. Vikas. Very good, guys. Wonderful, guys. Okay, let us move further. This is the question from transportation. Now you can see demand and supplies are mentioned to you. Problem is a balanced problem because it is coming out to be 110 from both the sides. Somesh, actually, I am not having the statement of that. If you are asking this, don't worry. We are going to have one 3 hours marathon on industrial where I will be revising complete industrial engineering in one class. There I will be solving that kind of questions again. That will be in the next weekend. Okay. So on the new channel, we will be having the revision sessions marathon type of all the subject where we will be revising one subject in 2 to 2.5 hours completely. Okay, those will be acting like capsule for you guys. Last minute capsules. Yes, very helpful. Don't miss them. Yes, Prateek. But don't go by hit and trial when we have the methods to solve it. Okay, Vikas. They have said find optimal solution if allocations x11 20, x13 20, x21 10, x22 50, x31 10. Yes, all others have zero allocation. Means a kind of initial basic feasible solution is given to you, and you need to use the Modi method to find out the best optimal solution. Yes. Hello Divya, good morning. So guys, please try it. I won't answer from your side. Only two students have answered it till now. Solve it. It is a transportation problem. Already IBFS is given to you. The best thing is IBFS is already given. So you need to just solve it for final optimal solution, guys. Okay. So I'm starting it now. It should be a 2 mark problem because industrial engineering questions numericals are generally coming for 2 marks. 1 marks are only queuing theory, break-even analysis, even sequencing come for 2 marks. But there is no hard and fast rule in terms of marks. So first of all, you will be assuming here it to be U1, U2, U3, V1, V2 and V3. So allocated cells you will be writing 2, 9, 1, 4 and 2. These are the allocated cells. So if this is the case, we have written theCij's and you need to assume one thing. Let us assume U1 to be 0 or let us assume V1 to be 0. When you will be assuming V1 0, U1 you will be getting as 2, U2 9 and U3 1. So if U2 is 9, here you are having 4, V2 will be minus 5. If U1 is 2, V3 you will be getting 0. Okay guys, and then what you will be doing, now what you will be doing, you will be putting here, you know, the second step is Cij minus Ui plus Vj for unallocated cells. So in objective problem, we will be doing in the same matrix to save the time. So Ui plus Vj, 2 minus 5 is minus 3. When you will be subtracting from this, it will be coming out to be 4. Yes. Then it is 9. Okay. It is 0. So 9 plus 0 is 9. And here already we are having 7. So it will be coming out to be minus 2. Then 1 and minus 5 is minus 4. 2 minus of minus 4 is 6. This is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. You are getting minus 2 here. So obviously you have to allocate here. For that you will be making a closed loop. If you remember, we have done in the same way in the classes. Make closed loop using horizontal and vertical line in such a way that Allocation should be there on all the corners except this one. So now when you are going to allocate 1 unit here, the cost will be saved by 2 rupees. Okay, so you can see here the allocation. If in the closed loop you see here it is 20, 20 and 10. The minimum is 10. We can go for an allocation of 10. It will be 10 when you will be allocated this 10 here. So it will be plus 10, minus 10, then plus 10 and minus 10. And the new allocation table you will be getting. Okay, I am writing in the same table with different color. New allocations are 30 here, 10 here, 10 here and 0 here. Okay, yes. So everything is balanced as already. If you want to find out, they are saying find the optimal solution if all allocations are like this. You will again be going for Modi method. This is known as Modi method. Once again we will be applying the Modi method, and when you will be going for once again, okay, first of all you need to find out the total cost now, what it is coming. It will be coming out to be 30 into 260 plus 10 into 220 plus 9 is not there, 15 into 4 is 200 plus 7 into 10 is 70 plus 1 into 10 is 10. It is coming out to be 60, 20, 80, 280, 280 plus 70, 350, 360. It is coming out to be 360. Now guys, 360 you are getting. Now you will be going for this method again. And now when you are going for this method again, you will be getting positive in all the cells. Like here we got negative. That's why optimality has been done. But when you are going to do the same thing with this matrix, you will be getting positive everywhere. So once you will be getting positive everywhere, it simply means that it is already the optimal solution. So answer will be B 360. This is the answer. Yes, Bhanu Rajan, definitely. Definitely you can get that. Okay. Next is question from line balancing. You need to find out the balancing efficiency. Yes, guys, please try it. Yes, guys. You can add the total time 1.2, 1.4, 0.9, 1.3 and 1.5. When you will be adding this all completely, and you can see the highest is 1.5. So cycle time will be more than or equals to 1.5 minutes. Just add all the times, all the work center time, divided by the cycle time. You will be getting the minimum number of workstation. It will be coming out to be nearly equals to 5. It will be coming out to be nearly equals to 5, and you need to find out the efficiency of balancing. Yes, the answer is correct. Anant Jain, answer is correct. So when you will be finding out this, you need to just add all the times 1.2 plus 1.4 plus 0.9 plus 1.3 plus 1.5 divided by the number of workstations. Is it the case? 1.5 is cycle times into 5. This will give you into 100, 84%. Very good, Bhanu Rajan. The answer is correct. Yes, guys, this is from, as I told, I am covering all the parts. Okay, now I am coming to MRP. This question is from MRP, Material Requirement Planning, MRP, Lean Manufacturing, and JIT. Solve this question, guys. Solve this question. Yes, guys. So, end item A has a bill of material as shown below, where the numbers are amounts required. There are 25 units of B, 900 units of H in stock. What is the net requirement of H to supply 300 units of A? If you want to supply 300 units of A, then it is already mentioned that 900 units are already there in the stock. So you know that for 300 of A, how to move further? You require 300 of B, you require 900 of C, and you need to see you already have 25 units of B. So net requirement for B is 275. For C, 900 it is. Okay, and for H, here you are having 1500 requirement. Then here it is 275. So for that you will be requiring D to be 275 into 2. 275 into 2. Here it is 275 into 4. Yes, 275 into 4 is, by calculating 275 into 4, it is 1100. So 1100, 2 is required. What is the meaning of this table? It means for 1 unit of A, 1 unit of B is required and 3 units of C is required. For 1 unit of B, 2 units of D and 4 units of E are required. For 1 unit of D, 3 units of G are required. But we are not interested in G, we are interested in H. So for 1100 units of E, we require 2200 of H. So 2200 plus 1500, it is going to be 3700. Okay, guys, and already 900 are there available. So the answer will be 2800. C will be the answer. Very good, Banu Rajan, Anant Jain. Vishwajit Sahu, please improve the, means that quality is not poor basically from our side. You please increase the quality. That is depending on you. On YouTube, you are having that option. Okay, Bhaskar, okay, fine. So guys, this is the question from MRP. One more question on this. So guys, we are covering all the types here. And we are going on in the last chapter. All other things we have already completed. MRP. An order is received for 1000 units of X, and already 100 units of X, 50 units of B, 50 units of D, 5 units of C are on hand. The number of C to be ordered. Here this table means 1 unit of X require 1 unit of A, 2 unit of B, 4 unit of E. Then 1 unit of B require 1 unit of C, 4 unit of D and 2 unit of E. Then 1 unit of D require 3 unit of F, 3 unit of C. That is the meaning of this table. Try to solve this. A similar kind of questions we are having. So I have covered all the types. After this we will be having 2 questions from work study. Yes. Solve it, guys. Solve it. So 1 unit of X require 1 unit of A, 1 unit of 2 unit of B, and 4 unit of C. You need to make 1000 unit of X, and already 100 units of X are available. So you need to make 900 units of X. So for 900X, 900A, 1800B, and 3600E are required. For 1800 of B, 1800 of C are required, and D are required 1800 into 4, 3600. What is 1800 into 4? 7200. So for 7200, you require 7200 into 3F and 7200 into 3C. You need to answer the number of C to be ordered. So 1800C are here, and this much C are here. So C are at two places. So 7200 into 3 plus 1800. So 23,400 C are required total. But already it is mentioned that 5 units of C are present. So 900 into 2, 1800, 1800, this one, and plus that 1800 into 4. It is 7200, and 7200 into 3. So it will be coming out to be, okay, sorry, we have made a mistake. I have not seen the quantities of other present. Sorry. Once again, we need to solve it. So X is 900. It is fine. Then you can see already 50 units of B are also there. That I have not counted. 50 of D are also there. So first of all, it will be 900 A required. But 50 units of B are there. So 850 of B is required only. And E is required in 3600. So B requirement we have counted. Now D also is there 50 units. C here we required 850 into 1 is 850. D requirement is basically 4 into 850, but 4 into 850, 4 into 850 is the D requirement, that is 3400. But already 50 units are there, so we require 3350. We require 3350, and that kind of mistake is done by students also. Yes. So for E the requirement is 1700. So out of 3350D, you know that if you multiply it with 3, 3350, C requirement from here will be 100. 850 into 2 is 1700 now. Yes. And 100, sorry, this is 1000, 10,050 will be getting. So you will be getting 10,050 here. And you will multiplying with this. Dear, because I am showing you which kind of mistakes are done. Okay. Yes. Paper you are going to give. I can tell you the concept. Calculation mistakes are very normal. Okay, dear. Okay, B will be 1750 because we will be multiplying it with 2. So it will be coming out to be 1750. Yes. Very good, guys. This will be 1750. So for this 1750, C will be 1750. Yes. For this 1750, when you will be multiplying it with 4, 1750 into 4 and you will be getting 7050 units are already available. 6950. Yes, and for 6950, when you will be multiplying it with 0, 6950 into 3, you will be getting 20,850. You will be getting 20,850. So these are the C requirement here. These are the C requirement here. Now you can answer it. 20,850 plus 1750. 22,600. A is the answer. Yes, guys. Akhilesh, again you have done some mistake. Okay. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, because if you know concept, then also mistakes can be there like this. So if you are going to do the mistakes like this, definitely marks will be cut. And I wanted to show you that how to solve this kind of questions. Okay. So I feel now you got it. Okay. So these are calculation mistake, guys. I do not mug up the answers or solutions. I solve in front of you. Yes, I have solution with me, but I see only the answers whenever it is required. Okay. Mind it. Are you getting C for calculations? Okay, let me cross check it. I am telling you. Okay, 5 units of C are already available. That I have not counted. Fine, fine, fine. Answer is correct. Guys, this is correct. Fine. Wonderful. Okay, guys. Now let us see two questions from work study also. This is, okay, I will be coming on to break even quantity first. Solve this question, guys, for break even quantities. And one more question is there. Here total cost function is given like this. Find out economic order quantity. This is a special type of question for you guys. Plus 2500 divided by Q plus Q by 16. And you know total cost, when you will be going for minimization, you will be getting economic order quantity. So just do D of TC upon DQ to be equals to 0. You will be getting the Q star. Solve it. Neyama Jait. Okay, Akhilesh, you are correct. Fine. Niyama Jait, actually, okay, you can ask the question, but I would like to tell you, if it is other than industrial, we are having one thing, that in Telegram channel you can join us. There also you can ask the doubts, because already a group of discussion is there. But yes, you can ask here also if it is from industrial. Definitely. Yes, differentiate it, guys. 0 plus 2500. Okay, differentiate it. Very good, Bhanu Rajan. I feel Nehemaj hate you are in the wrong class. I feel you are from ECW or plus one plus two class. That's why you are asking these kind of questions here. It is not related to industrial. Yes, Bhanu Rajan, I told you before, I feel I have given my GATE exam for the first time in the third year. At that time, I have given without any seriousness, but the second time I have given in my final year. During those days, I was basically doing revision from the notes. Okay, first thing. and I have done 5 to 7 times the revision from that. And second thing, at that time so much YouTube channels and YouTube classes, these were not there, so obviously we have to do by our own way. Second, I was going for previous year's gate question, and third one, I was having some workbooks from where I have I have preparation, I have done the preparation. Those workbooks I was solving only that much, and then I went through that test series, only one test series. And guys, this was the strategy in the last 30 to 45 days, as I was also having the university examination, so I was not having that much time. So I was sleeping during only 3 to 4 hours a day during those 40 to 50 days. So I have really worked hard on in those days. If I remember those days, they were very means rememberable days. Okay, so yes, Q star will be 200 units, guys. Next question, guys. Now the question is from break even quantities. Break even quantities. Very good, Saeed Akhtar. Here you need to use at break even quantities. You know, total cost is equals to total sales. Fixed cost plus variable cost plus profit is equals to S. Profit is 0. So F plus V is equals to S. Yes, guys, try to solve it. So you know total cost is given, means fixed plus variable. Price per unit is already mentioned. Q is the quantities. Just equate this is price per unit, so obviously you need to multiply it with Q. So you will be getting 1 lakh plus 20 Q plus 0.005 Q square is equals to sales revenue is 76 minus 0.002 times of Q into Q, because this is CP into Q. This will be sales revenue now. So equating this, you will be getting the value of Q to be, and the answer you will be getting, guys, it will be coming out to be, two values will be coming, 5309 and 2691. So this will be the answer. Profit maximizing quantity. Profit is sales minus total cost, and dP by dQ is equals to 0. Do this. Putting this, guys, you will be getting the answer to be Q is equals to 4000 units. D is correct. Very good, Gaurav, Bhanu Rajan, it's fine. I feel you are getting the things in a wonderful manner. Now the last two questions from work study. For transportation, which symbol is used? So guys, I will be sharing this PDF in the Telegram channel. If you have not joined yet, please join it. One more thing I would like to add, that this PDF consists of 10 to 12 practice questions for you. You can go for that also. Very good, Akhilesh. This symbol is used for operation. This is for inspection, for storage, for transportation. B is the answer. Okay, fine, guys. These are the practice questions from all the topics for you guys. So one more symbol is there which I have not mentioned here, that is D. D is used for delay. These are the 5 symbols which are used in work study. Yes guys, hope you guys are getting the things wonderfully. So I would like to tell you how to prepare, guys. First of all, revise your class notes. After revising the class notes, go for previous year's question. GATE obviously. Then go for your practice book, whatever you are following. Some are following some coaching material, whatever you are following. If you are at Gradeup quizzes are given to you, practice sets are given to you. And the last one, you need to go for the test series. This should be the strategy in the last days for you guys. And as you guys are having many series given by us on Gradeup, those series will help you in that practice series, practice set, test series, and revise class notes. These 3 things can be avoided if you are joining our classes, because we are having some classes for revision, we are having practice sets like this is, and we are having some mock test also. So these 3 things you can follow our series, because revising your class notes will be a kind of reading, but if you are attending our classes of revision, they will be like video short notes. Obviously video short notes are more useful. Yes, sure Vikas, I will be sharing that. Okay guys, so I feel this is the time to say all of you goodbye for this session. So guys, we will meet now soon. Please join the Telegram channel so that you will be notified for the next classes. I will be taking machine design in the first week of January now. Okay. And also 3 more series are about to come for you guys. Hope you are also waiting for them, and you are going to get a lot more in the new mechanical channel. So do subscribe that so that you can be benefited from that. Goodbye guys for this session. Thanks for joining.